Hello everyone. Here we have an interesting differential equation in which y prime is equal to square root of x plus y plus 1. So uh, it is equation with radicals. We can write dy by dx y prime as dy by dx, which is equal to x plus y plus 1 square root. Here we substitute, let u is equal to x plus y. Then definitely here x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. So now we are converting it u as an dependent variable while x again is independent variable. So we have to calculate dy by dx and substitute these all values. If we take derivative with respect to x on both sides, then it will give 1 plus dy by dx, and from here we can write that dy by dx, this is equal to du by dx minus 1. So substituting the value of x plus y and dy by dx in this equation, we get, after substitution, we will get du by dx minus 1, this is equal to u plus 1 square root. So it can be written as du by dx, this is equal to square root of u plus 1 plus 1. Taking this one on right side, we get this relation. Du by dx is equal to square root of u plus 1 plus 1. So this is a separable differential equation, first order separable differential equation, and we can write it as dividing this whole term here and multiplying dx, du over u plus 1 square root plus 1, this is equal to dx. This is, now again we have to substitute some other variable. Let we take t as u plus 1 under root. Then t square will be equal to u plus 1, and we have to definitely replace du. Taking differential on both sides, we will get 2t dt, this is equal to du, and 1's differential is equal to 0. So du will be 2t dt. So substituting these all value in this above equation, we will get the value of du is 2t dt divided by square root of u plus 1 is equal to t plus 1, and this is equal to dx. Now we have to simplify this and integrate this one. We just simplify this side. We can write here 2 times t divided by t plus 1 dt, this is equal to dx, and this implies that 2 times, we are writing as t plus 1 minus 1 over t plus 1 dt is equal to dx, and it is equal to, if we separate t plus 1 divided by t plus 1 minus 1 over t plus 1 dt, that is equal to dx, and this is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1 over t plus 1 dt is equal to dx. Integrating both sides, we will get integrating both sides. So we will get 2 is outside, it will give t minus natural log of t plus 1, that is equal to x plus some constant c. So this is what the solution is, but now we have to substitute the things back. First, what is t? T is actually square root of, you can see we have substitute t is equal to square root of u plus 1. So replace back the value of t. This will give 2 times u plus 1 square root minus natural log of square root of u plus 1 plus 1, and that is equal to x plus c. Now again u is equal to, we can see that what is u? U is equal to x plus y. So we substitute 2 times x plus y plus 1 under root minus natural log of square root of x plus y plus 1 and plus 1 is equal to x plus c, which is the required answer. As this is very complex implicity, so x and y cannot be separated, therefore this is what the answer is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.